Welcome to this QuickBooks tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to create an inventory item in QuickBooks Desktop. Before we begin, we need to enable the inventory settings. Let's get started. First, ensure you are on the home screen. If you are on another screen, close or navigate away to get to the home screen. Go to the Edit menu at the top and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, select Items and Inventory from the list on the left, then click on the Company Preferences tab. Check the box labeled Inventory and Purchase Orders are active, and click OK. Now that inventory is enabled, we can create an inventory item. From the home screen, go to the Lists tab at the top menu, then select Item List. At the bottom of the list, click on the Item button and select New. In the Type drop-down menu, choose Inventory Part. Enter a name for the inventory item. For this example, we'll call it New Inventory Item. From the home screen, go to the Lists tab at the top menu, then select Item List. At the bottom of the list, click on the Item button and select New. In the Type drop-down menu, choose Inventory Part. Enter a name for the inventory item. For this example, we'll call it New Inventory Item. Next, fill in the vendor information, including the vendor name and part number. Enter the cost of the item in the Cost field. Assign the appropriate income account for this item by selecting it from the Income Account drop-down menu. After entering all the details, click on OK to save the item. To verify the inventory item, you can go back to the item list and find your newly created inventory item. Additionally, you can run an inventory valuation summary report by going to the Reports menu, selecting Jens inventory, and then Inventory Valuation Summary. This report will show the inventory item's details, including the quantity on hand, value, and average cost. That's it! You've successfully created an inventory item in QuickBooks Desktop. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.